work hard, you try to save, but when you look at your bank account at the end of the month, does it feel defeated? What if I told you there are hidden costs, silent enemies, that are stealthily draining your wealth without you even noticing? These aren't the obvious bills like rent or your car payment. These are the 5 silent costs that are keeping you poor. But once you identify them, you can finally reclaim your financial power. Let's dive in. The first silent cost is what I call subscription creep. Think about all your monthly subscriptions. That streaming service you rarely watch, the gym membership you hardly use, that premium app you downloaded once and completely forgot about. Individually, each one seems so small, just a few dollars here and there. It feels insignificant. But when you add them all up, they form a steady stream of money flowing out of your pocket, month after month, year after year. This isn't about cutting out the things you love and use. It's about eliminating pure waste. The wealthy are meticulous about getting value for their money. If a subscription isn't serving them, if it's not adding real value to their life, it's gone. No hesitation. Take a moment after this video, open up your bank statement, and be ruthless. You'll be shocked at how much you can save. The second silent cost is the good deal illusion. How many times have you justified a purchase by saying, "But it was on sale"? We've all been there. You see a big red sign, 50% off, and you feel a rush. You buy something you didn't even need simply because the price was reduced. In that moment, you feel like you're saving money, but in reality, you're spending money you wouldn't have spent otherwise. This habit doesn't just drain your savings, it clutters your home and distracts your mind. A true good deal isn't about the discount. It's about buying something you genuinely need at a fair price that adds real, lasting value to your life. The next time you feel the pull of a sale, ask yourself one simple question. Would I still buy this at full price? If the answer is no, walk away. The third silent cost is the complacency of ignorance. Be honest with yourself. When was the last time you truly understood where every single dollar was going? Not just the big bills, but every single transaction. Many people actively avoid looking at their bank statements, their credit card bills, or their investment accounts because it feels overwhelming, complex, or even unpleasant. But what you don't know is costing you big time. We're talking about overdraft fees, hidden bank charges you didn't know you were paying, and high-interest debt that's silently growing in the background like a monster in the dark. The wealthy, on the other hand, demand absolute transparency with their money. They know the value of every penny and exactly where it goes. They track it, they analyze it, and they optimize it. Ignorance is not bliss, it's expensive. It's time to turn on the lights and face the numbers. This brings us to our fourth silent cost, and this one is perhaps the most devastating of all: ignoring the time value of money. Every dollar you spend today or fail to invest today is not just $1. It's potentially hundreds, even thousands of dollars you could have had in the future. This is all thanks to the magic of compound interest. Delaying your investments, even by just a few years, can cost you exponential growth. It's an invisible thief that steals from your future self, quietly and relentlessly, every single day. The wealthy understand this power implicitly. They don't just work for their money, they make their money work for them around the clock. Your future self is begging you to start today, even if it's just a small amount. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. And finally, the fifth silent cost is neglecting your most valuable asset, you. In a world that is changing faster than ever, standing still is the same as moving backward. Remaining stagnant in your skills or your knowledge is a direct drain on your future earning potential. Not learning that new skill, not investing in your personal development, not reading a book about your industry, These are the silent killers of your income growth. While others might be numbing their minds with endless scrolling, the wealthy are actively sharpening theirs. They see education and self-improvement not as an expense, but as the ultimate investment, the one with the highest possible returns. So let me ask you, what are you learning today that will increase your value tomorrow? These 5 silent costs: subscription creep, the good deal illusion, complacency of ignorance, ignoring the time value of money, and neglecting yourself, operate in the shadows, making you poorer without your conscious awareness. But now you know. Awareness is the first crucial step. Action is the next. It's time to reclaim your hard-earned money from these invisible drains. Take control, gain clarity, and start investing in what truly matters. Your financial future depends on it. If you're ready to stop the silent leaks and start building true financial power, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We release essential strategies for your financial freedom every week. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these silent costs are you going to tackle first? Let me know and share your commitment in the comments below. Thanks for watching.